What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm gonna be trying out these sheIn / runway nails. I actually got them off Runway, but you know, sometimes they sell the same thing on each site. So anyway, girl, we about to try out these nails and see what they do for me. My nails have already been filed and the cuticles have been pushed back and they look busted right now, but that's okay. That's why we bought the press ons, because we about to get pressed on. Okay, so that's what I use to push my cuticles back. I guess you can call it a cuticle removal. You can find them at Dollar Tree. I also bought this Kiss brush on nail glue from Dollar General, and this is my first time using this as well, and it actually did pretty good. So that first set of nails right there, I have already filed down the part that's going to be closest to my cuticle, so it can have this natural look instead of that ugly press on nail look, you know what I'm saying? So I fit each nail precisely to each finger, so as you can see right there, it looks way more natural than this right here that I'm finna show you. That just looks basically straight out the pack, and you can tell like it don't fit to it. It don't look natural to my own natural nails. So I use that ugly file right there that has been trusty and faithful. So yeah, I use that to file down that part right there. As you can see, it filed pretty well. A little bit of it you have to pick it off with yourself because it didn't just come off as you filed it. So yeah, you're gonna file down that area. You're also gonna file down the sides, because some of the nails are gonna be oversized. They're gonna be oversized and they don't fit directly, you know, to your nail like you probably want it to. So that's why I have to file down the sides a little bit. And so I will file it down a little bit, put it to my nail, see how it fit, and see if it needs to be filed down more. That was the best method for me. So you're gonna do that like that, and as you can see now, it looks a little bit more natural than it did at first. So also I'm gonna file down that tip because we want that shape to be precise. We want it to be very, very noticeable, because sometimes the nails, the tip, it's like not the shape isn't, you know, it don't look good. So you might want to file that down a little bit and also pick off what you need to pick off. And now that we're done with that one, we're gonna do the rest.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Short dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time.
So now that we have finished all of our nails, we are now going to take our Kiss brush on nail glue, and we're going to apply a single layer. That's all it takes, just a single layer on the natural nail, and you can just do it like as if you're doing nail polish. So we're going to do a single layer just like that. And I was finna mess up because I had actually took my thumb, the nail that's supposed to go on my thumb, and was finna apply it to my middle finger, but your girl caught that real quick. And so we're gonna get the right nail. You always do your thumb and your pointer finger last, because you're gonna need your thumb and your pointer finger to press the nail on like that. So it fits simple. It adheres, the glue adheres to the natural nail and the press on nail pretty quick, so it don't take long to dry, and it bonds really fast. So we're gonna do that nail like that, a couple of presses, and you're good to go. And so after that one, I'm going to apply the rest of the nails now.
you there?
Okay, so now all of the nails are now applied, and I'm just showing you guys what they look like. Overall, they looked okay. It's really great if you need something quick for the night. Hold up, because your girl had to make sure she could still, you know, in case I had to pop somebody real quick. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I had to make sure, you know, that they were, you know, good. Okay, period. Okay, yeah, they good. They work with me. Yes, sis. Yes. Okay, so like I said, overall they're really good. They're quick if you want to put them on for a night out and you don't want to pay that money. These are only like $1.50 or something like that. But yes, period.